Oof. It's starting to feel a little chilly outside. That's kind of cool. It reminds me of when I first started running. It was a cold winter day. And now we're here, almost full circle with my crazy hair. And yeah, it's kind of cool. Pretty cool. Haven't ran in a couple days actually. I've been slightly off schedule. Well, actually, really off schedule. But it's okay because I'm having fun doing it. So now I'm just playing catch up. I think we should be fine. I just have to focus and we'll just make some good progress every day and we'll be just fine. Like this week, I have a midterm exam for my ecology class. And next week, I have 2 midterms. One for my developmental biology class and another one for my astronomy class. So it's getting kind of close. So I need to start studying. I've started studying for the one this week already, and I feel pretty good about it. Pretty straightforward, nothing difficult, pretty easy to grasp. It's just about like, all it is, it's about like the interactions between plants and animals. That's all it is. But like at a greater level of detail, you know? That's all it is. Like different ways that animals are like suited for their environments, and like how changes to their environment impact their survival, as well as like their interactions between like themselves and other species, when all else is like pretty normal, you know, like population dynamics, stuff like that. For my astronomy class, it's starting to get a little bit more difficult. It reminds me a lot of physics, you know, like like they have us like find the age of stars and the distance to stars, the radius, like anything you could possibly ask. They'll ask you about that and ask you to calculate it using mathematical principles, stuff like that. And yeah, it's a lot of math, to say that much. And for my developmental biology class, that one just like, it's so complex because there's so many moving parts. It's all about like, it's not just about like knowing what happens whenever like a fly embryo is developing, right? It's about learning about what proteins and genes are involved, and how those proteins and genes are interacting, you know, like at a cellular level, at a molecular level, right? So, and it's a lot of steps, which makes it kind of difficult. I'd say that's my hardest class by far, no doubt about it. And yeah, I think it's my hardest class. So I gotta start studying for that one like today. I cannot start studying that one tomorrow. Like next week, I gotta start studying for that one this week, or else I am screwed. Like for that developmental bio class, we've been focusing a lot on fruit flies and their developments, and how there's like different like genes involved at different like sections of the embryo. So one section of the embryo, it's called like the anterior. Well, actually there's multiple portions, right? So like if you look at the anatomy of a fly, you have like the head, the antenna, and as you move down the fly's body, you have like the thorax, the abdomen, the legs, the wings. And then once you get to the other end, on the posterior terminal, you have like the genitalia, and that's it, right? And there's different proteins that have to get localized at those regions that are mediated by certain proteins, right? And some of these proteins, or a lot of these proteins, are maternally expressed, which is just saying like whenever the mother made the egg to get fertilized, those proteins are coming from the mother, not from the father's genetic information. And so there's like, and some of these proteins have weird names, you know, like I don't remember exactly all of them, but you know, some of them are called like nanos, giant, let's see, I think one's called Vega, Tudor, Pee-wee, you know, it's got these weird names, Sonic, Hedgehog, like so many weird names. So it's kind of hard to keep everything on check, but you know, we got it little by little. And that's it, guys.